Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn that how to add numbers in Microsoft Excel, and which is a very basic thing, that how to add or some numbers or to do the addition in Microsoft Excel. So let's suppose we write some numbers in the cells. This is a cell. This box is called in Excel a cell, and each cell has their specific name. Let's suppose this cell has a name of H6. You can see this is the name H6, means H is the column and 6 is the row. So let's suppose we write some numbers 6, 8, 9, 8, 7, 2, 4 and 5. So now we want to add these numbers. So first what we have to do, so we will click in a cell where we want to show the answer. So then first you have to click on the equal sign. So when you click on equal sign, then you have to write sum, SUM. So when you write the sum, so then you can click on the enter the small bracket open, and then select the numbers that you want to add. So you will select these numbers and then we'll close the bracket, and then we'll just click on enter. You can see the sum of these number is equal to 41. So this is how you can do additions in Microsoft Excel, a very simple way. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.